Hey guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements with Amanda. And today I will be doing a New Year's basket. Here's some of the things that I have that I'll be adding to the basket. Alright, so let's get started with this 2019 basket, guys. The first thing I am going to do, I'm going to use a snow blanket to fill my basket versus using tissue paper. And I like using this right here for this arrangement because it has more cushion for the wine bottle. And I think it's really cute. Alright, so that's the filling I'm going to use for the basket, okay? And the first thing, guys, I'm going to add is a calendar that I got at the Dollar Tree. I thought these were really cute. I'm just going to put one in here, but I actually bought two. I thought these was really cute. And it's a 16-month calendar. The second thing I got is wine. Of course, you need the bubbly for the New Year's, okay? A bottle of Andre. And this sits really well in the basket with the cushion, with the snow blanket. Sit that there. Let's see. The next thing I have is the candies, the chocolate candies, okay? And guys, this is just a cute little basket you can make for a friend or a family member. Nothing too expensive. The fourth thing I have is the glasses, of course, that I got. The champagne glasses, I got this from the Dollar Tree. There. Set them up like that. Okay. You guys get a good look at that. Okay, and the last thing I have is the glasses for 2009. Okay, I thought those were really, really cute. So I'm going to set this like that. Okay, and last but not least, my beautiful bows that I got at the Dollar Tree also. Okay guys, so this is the finished product for my 2019 New Year's basket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you guys have a very great new year. I wish best wishes for everyone and nothing but the best of luck. Alright, so let's make 2019 a great year, guys. Alright, see you soon.